In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tabs on Zen Browser to top. Let's get started by opening Zen Browser the way you normally do. Once it's open, take a look toward the left side of the window. In Zen, your tabs are typically arranged in a vertical strip near the top left corner. You'll see each site listed as a tab in a column. If you've been browsing for a while, the tab you're working on might have slipped down toward the bottom of that list. To move a tab to the very top, place your cursor directly on the tab you want to reposition. Click and hold to grab it. Keep holding and begin dragging the tab upward through the list. As you move, watch for a thin highlight or insertion line that appears between tabs. That marker shows where the tab will land when you let go. Keep dragging until that marker reaches the very top of the sidebar, then release. Your tab will snap into place at the top of the stack. If your tab list is long, don't worry. While you're holding the tab, you can hover near the top edge of the sidebar to make the list auto-scroll upward. On a trackpad, you can also gently scroll with 2 fingers while still holding the tab to move faster. The key is to keep your cursor inside the tab column so the browser knows you're reordering rather than trying to pull the tab out into a new window. If you let go too early and the tab lands higher but not quite at the top, simply grab it again and drag a little further. Take your time, you're not reloading the page or changing anything about the site itself. You're just rearranging where that tab sits in your list for quicker access. A couple of quick pointers to make this smoother. Aim for the center area of the tab label when you click and hold, especially if you have favicons or close buttons near the edges. If your mouse is very sensitive, slow your movement slightly so you can precisely place the insertion marker at the top. And if you're managing many tabs, it can help to pause for a moment near the top to let auto scroll catch up before you release. That's all there is to it. Open Zen Browser, find your vertical tab list on the left, select and hold the tab you want, then drag it to the very top and release. Your most important tab is now exactly where you need it, front and center for fast, distraction-free access.